All right, I want to give you guys a replay of some recent Loffler IT heroics. It was late on a Friday afternoon and we had a client's main server that was failing, it was propagating errors, and it was corrupting their data. Loffler was doing their data backup, but they didn't have disaster recovery or a business continuity plan. They needed a new server and we only had a couple hours to make that happen. This was going to be a real Hail Mary play, and let me tell you about it. Three things had to happen. Number one, we had to get them a server. We've got the admin team, which did a great job in all the madness, getting the paperwork going, and Colin the Center called a play for one of our partners, Synergy, on nothing more than a handshake and a warm smile, started building this server back in their warehouse. Had to put a call in to our managed service team. Spencer Anderson, managed services manager, was told about this. Right away, he started running interference for his guy, Chris, who starts restoring the data. The ball then is snapped to Randy Anderson, who quarterbacked this whole episode here. Randy gets Chris moving on the data. Kyler, meanwhile, didn't know he was involved in the play, and he was up at the data center and heard about the problem, called an audible. He started to move with us over here, and Chris said, we need you to get that data out of the data center and get it in motion. Meanwhile, Jason, the engineer, has started an end run up to get the server, so in a matter of hours, he's been on the phone troubleshooting everything, making it all work, starting to drive to the client, diverts over to Synergy to pick this up, and starts moving to the client. Meanwhile, Randy was over here leading a skull chant with the group when he got a phone call that said, we need somebody to get the data from Kyler out to the client. So Randy reverses field, picks up the media, keeps driving out to the client site to meet with his engineer, Jason, and like that, we've got the server, we've got the data, we've got the engineers, and it's Friday at about 5:30. This is a touchdown with a 2-point conversion. So, what'd you think?